Headache ruining your day and you don't want to take tablets? What if you could get relief just by applying something on your forehead? This is Forehead Stick, a simple, fast-acting solution for headaches. Let's break it down. This stick contains levomenthol, which creates a cooling effect on your skin. That cooling sensation helps relax blood vessels and can reduce headache pain quickly. Best part? No tablets, no swallowing, just apply directly on your forehead. Now here's how to use it. Gently rub the stick on your forehead and temples. You can use it multiple times a day if needed. It's non-greasy and dries quickly. Now let's talk about side effects. You may feel a strong cooling sensation, mild skin irritation, or redness in sensitive skin. So here are precautions. Avoid contact with eyes, do not apply on broken skin, and always wash your hands after use. Also, this is for external use only, not a cure for severe or chronic headaches. And remember, sometimes simple solutions work the fastest. Follow for more smart, easy health tips, because relief should be simple.